My name is Jurgen Hohen. Welcome to another Lederhosen Salesforce tutorial. This one is on which one has better results for a short 7-day-ish promo. Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Nextdoor ads. So these are the results. I'm by no means, I'm not a content person. I'm a digital plumber. But this is interesting. And thanks for joining. What's the first thing? Let's take a look at Facebook ads right here. And what do we see? About a 7-day, 256 click-throughs to a website for a nonprofit. What was the reach? 12,000-ish. What were the impressions? About 3 times that amount. And the average cost per click-through was about 55 cents, right? This just shows here, from the 4th to the 11th of October. And what were the results for Facebook? Pretty good. 12,000 impressions, 258 clicks. 56 cents per click, $143. And I had a click-through rate, right, of 2%, right? This is Facebook. Not bad. Facebook Ad Manager. And you can see here a little bit of the demographics of the audience, mostly women who click through, what they click through. You could see 50% of the women 65 and older looked at this. And let's take a look at Google Analytics. Google Ad Manager here, 345 clicks, 16K. So it's all within the reach of about 25 miles of the center of Reno, right? So same geofence as Facebook. And what are the results here? Google Ads had a little bit better results. Maybe because I'm not as well versed with Facebook, but this is just a rough estimate, right? What are the results? 47 cents per click, $162. What were the demographics here? The age group, you can see here, right? In the middle, male, female. What are the ages again? 65 plus. So similar age group, similar audience. And here, what were the devices? Mostly mobile when they looked at it. When they clicked through, they were 50% on tablet and mobile. And when they click, as far as impressions here, sorry, that's impressions. And this is click through. So, 25% on tablet, 75% on mobile. These are rough estimates, right? And here, again, the same sort of data. And then the key thing is what keywords, because I said people that were interested in certain things, playing tennis, donating money, court tennis, tennis news, sports shoes, tennis games were the key thing here. And to the left here, you could see when they looked and when they searched. So on Tuesday, after 6 p.m., before midnight, and on Wednesday, not so much in the morning, and then on Thursday in the middle of the day right here. All right, so next, what are the Google Ads costs? Click-throughs, 345, cost 47 cents. Daily spend was $30, 16,000. So similar to Facebook, similar. Spent 161, and the click-through rate, my dyslexia showed up there, about 2%, right? So Google Ads, Facebook ads, similar results. Google had a little bit more reach. Let's look at Nextdoor. I was very curious about Nextdoor. This is my first campaign. Only 1,331 impressions. Started this a little bit later, and I had to prepay for $155 for the month. So hard cost was similar because they said, hey, $5 a day versus 30 for, they didn't let you do $30 a day for 5 days. They said $5 times 30 plus I had to prepay for $55. And here the net is only 3 click-throughs and it almost costs $7 each. And the click-through rate is a tenth of what Google or Facebook Ad Manager is. So again, Google and Facebook Ad Managers far outweigh and outwin the Nextdoor Ad Manager. And I couldn't really steer the audiences as well and refine the parameters. Again, the same geofence, right? Way you do it in Nextdoor is you pick an address in the middle and it geofences. Versus you could be anywhere in Google Ads or Facebook Ads and you geofence it from there. In Nextdoor, you have to pick the address in Nextdoor to then geofence it out. So Facebook, Google, about the same ratio, click-through rate of 2%. Nextdoor, 10th of the click-through rate and the cost much higher. And with that, I want to say thank you so much. Jurgen Hohen over